So let's talk about integration. So in this case, we have this function, and I went ahead and plotted this function on a graph. Now what I want to do is determine the shaded area underneath this curve. And the way we can do that is using an integral. So if I take this 2x, which is my function, and then I integrate it with respect to x, this will give me the area under the curve, but I have to bound it with what shaded area I want. So I want everything from 0 all the way to 5 on my x-axis, because I want to integrate this entire thing here. Now I have my integral set up. So what I want to do is I want to take the antiderivative of this 2x, and I can do that by adding 1 to the exponent and then dividing everything by that new exponent. So that's going to give me the antiderivative, but I need to bound it from 0 to 5. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the numbers that I see. I can cancel the 2's, and I end up with x squared. Now I'm going to take my higher bound and plug it in for x, and then I'm going to take my lower bound, plug it in for x, and now I'm going to subtract the lower bound from the higher bound. If you do this correctly, you should end up with 25. So this is the shaded area underneath the curve. Now notice if we actually took this curve here and treated it like a right triangle, we could actually use the area of a triangle, which would give us this 25, which matches the area that we calculated. So we know we did this integral correctly.